Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald was a brave knight with shiny blue armor. His best friend was Sparky, a small green dragon, with big, friendly eyes. Sparky lived in a cozy cave, filled with soft moss and sparkling stones. One sunny morning, Sparky and Sir Reginald were playing near a field of colorful flowers. Suddenly, Sparky went, hic, tiny puffs of rainbow smoke floated out of his nose. Hic! Another rainbow appeared. Sparky's face turned a little red. "Oh dear," he mumbled. "My hiccups are making rainbows again. It's so silly." He felt embarrassed that colorful puffs kept popping out of him. Sir Reginald smiled kindly. "Silly? I think they are wonderful, Sparky. Look!" He pointed to where the rainbow puffs were floating. They shimmered in the sunlight. "Maybe," Sir Reginald said thoughtfully, "we can use your rainbow hiccups to make something beautiful." Sparky looked up, surprised. Sir Reginald had an idea. He pointed to the clear blue sky. "Let's make pictures with your rainbow puffs." Sparky took a deep breath. Hic! A pink and yellow puff floated up. Sir Reginald guided him. "Try making a circle." Hic! Another puff joined the first. Slowly, with each hic, Sparky learned to control his rainbow puffs. He made swirling lines and colorful dots in the sky. Sir Reginald cheered him on. Soon, the sky was filled with amazing rainbow art. There were giant flowers, smiling suns, and even a fluffy bunny made of shimmering colors. Sparky giggled with joy. His hiccups weren't embarrassing anymore. They were wonderful. Other little creatures came to watch the beautiful display. A family of squirrels, with bushy tails, chattered happily, and a wise old owl with big round eyes blinked in amazement. Sparky felt proud. As the last rainbow faded, Sir Reginald patted Sparky on the head. "You see, Sparky, what you thought was a problem turned out to be something special and wonderful, because you used it in a new way." Sparky smiled. He learned that even hiccups can be amazing if you look at them in a different light. And Sir Reginald learned that being a good friend means helping others see the best in themselves.
Please subscribe. Thank you.